Where'd that come from? Ah, mother. Ah. Hey. Come on. All right, boys, I gotta get these sliders knocked out. I got our maiden voyage next weekend. We're going on to Hollister for some big event or somebody's birthday or something or other. And I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna go with it. I'm obviously not gonna go all the way through the obstacle course. We'll see when we get there. But I for sure wanna have these sliders on here just for a little bit of protection. Last thing I'd wanna do is show up first outing and crush one of the rocker panels. That would be unfortunate. So, what I got here, let me show you how this started, right? I got these, my buddy gave me these sliders for free. Had a production run from years ago that were just sitting there, so he gave me a set of these. They're a little bit short. I'm not sure if I already showed you. They're a little bit short, so what I did is I cut off just the back corner here, and I'm going to sleeve this. This is 1.25 inch 120 wall, so I'm going to sleeve it with 1.5 inch, and then extend it with 1.75 inch again, and bring it way back to here. It ended about here before, so I need about 5-6 inches. So I gotta get this knocked out. It's midday on Sunday. Wasn't able to get anything done yesterday because Carter had to go and buy another truck, which actually turned out to be really cool. So I just got to get this knocked out. Let's get to it. We're gonna start with this and make some adjustments if necessary. The plan is they're going to angle up just a little bit, and then this kick out is going to be horizontal so that it doesn't interfere with the door. So I'm just going to mark this. I like where it is right now, and then we will take it over the bench, tack it up, make sure it's all flat, and then fully weld it. fuck did that come from? Ah, mother. Ah. Hey. Come on. How's my face look? You guys just joined me on a welding journey that I won't soon forget. I can't believe how badly I was just struggling. Either way, here we are. I finally got them all tacked into place. So now I'm gonna burn them in and make some gussets for right here. That'll be flat against those plates. Once I get that all done, I'm gonna paint them, 99% of the way, just leave the little weld area unpainted, and then I'll weld it onto the truck.
Start it up.
There we go, boys. Sliders are all finished, painted, ready to get installed. I got both sides of my frame plated and reinforced, ready to go. At this point, I'm just waiting for the paint to dry, and we're gonna weld them up and be done with the sliders. So as you can tell in these last couple of clips, I actually got a different set of tires. I bought those off my buddy Blake. He bought some tires from somebody else, and I picked these up. They're about 50% tread, which is 50% more than I had. The date code is 2 years ago instead of 10 years ago, so I'm pretty jazzed to try them out, and I'll go over kind of putting them on the beadlocks here right after I finish installing these sliders. Here we go! Oh! Let me give it one more try. Nope. I tried to be cool for you guys. Didn't work. They say that you can put these in the bag, or that you're supposed to put them in the bag. I've also seen people put them in the bag and the bag not break. Thereby it creates this gigantic 14-ounce weight wherever it ends up in your tires. So I've broken them all on the last one, so I'm going to continue on with that theme and So if they all suck, they all suck. But if they're all good, they're all good. You know what I mean? Okay, no more clearance issues for the exhaust. You good? Hello, driver. Hello, driver. Yeah, yeah. You guys probably can't tell the angle that this thing is at right now. He's a little worried. He's a little worried. Turn into it. Turn into it. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Straight. There we go. There we go. Boys. This thing's a machine. Let me get in front.